Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sora 2 for free to generate any video that you want without VPN and without invitation code. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that recently Sora 2 become a trend. A lot of people try to search on how to use Sora 2 for free, and unfortunately if we want to use Sora 2 we need invitation code and we need VPN because Sora is not available on some countries. But no worries guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can access Sora 2 for free, but it's limited. And if you want to use it for free, you can visit sora2.cloud and you can sign in with your Google account and you will get 10 credits for free. And here you can generate video, but it needs 5 credits. And I have already used 5 credits to generate this video guys. And here you just need to describe the video that you want to create. And you can also attach an image as a reference if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And here you can choose the orientation. And then you just need to click on generate a video. And if you want to earn more credits, you need to subscribe. And you can also invite your friends and you can earn credits. Okay, and now my video is being generated. And the video will be ready in 1 until 3 minutes. Okay guys, and now my video is ready and I'm going to show you the result.
I swear this is the same tree we passed an hour ago.
No, the bark's different. Just keep moving.
We're going in circles, Jay. Sun's gonna set soon.
I know. We'll find the stream. Once we hit it, we can follow it out.
Okay, and that's so cool. And okay. And alright, that's how we can access Sora 2 for free without VPN and invitation code. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.